Right now, NAFDAC will be the joint body on top to take the run things when it comes to food and drug. Don't come out now. Koro to say, I beg. Nobody tell us to stop this ban of sachet alcohol. They say that church will spread everywhere. Say, Ogbonge government don't order. Say, may they suspend the waka. May they not ban a small sachet of alcohol. May they not ban small bottle of alcohol. Say, na lie. Earlier this month, na in NAFDAC start to dey go all over places for country. They lock people warehouse. They stop the selling of those small but mighty alcohol packs them. Now so tori now come burst for media. Say federal government don't quietly go tell them for here. Say may they relax, may they stop am. But NAFDAC oga Madam Mojisola Adeyeye come out now fast to say all of that report is a lie. They are just deceiving people. According by her, they did not say any memo. They did not say any call. Nobody tell them to hold on. Say, as we are talking, as far as NAFDAC is concerned, that alcohol ban is still in effect.